Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know I'm driving and the freeway it's packed, so I was like, why not I start a vlog. I'm going to the office, but the freeway it's so packed, you guys. Luckily this time it's not Malibongwe. I think there's something in William Nicole or Mandela Matigizela, something. Winnie Mandela Matigizela Drive. Let me be correct, guys. Oh. Yeah, so we're starting a blog. Hey, hi. I hope you're good. I'm good, dear. I'm good. And let's start a blog. Let's ching chats. Welcome back. And if you're new here, you see this face for the first time, welcome. And if you're a regular day one, welcome back. And let's chat. So I'm driving there, and you know these things comes when I'm driving. So we remember the savings that I've started, the interest rate don't own. And remember, interest rate went down in November. So I just want to quickly remind you that we are saving again this month. Funny, I don't get this. You know, when I was paying my house, I used to get these letters from the bank saying that interest rate is down. Funny, this time I'm not getting that anymore. But it's fine. I will do my calculation because mina ngiyawenza my calculation. So on the 26th, 27, I'll be able to save the other money and put it aside. Currently on that account, I've got 160. I know it's 160, so small, but it will izobaningi manje mangihlatsa manje because it's 50 base point, remember. So yeah, so let's go to the office, you guys. Yo, traffic. But anyway, I'm gonna blog as well when I get home. I just wanna do unboxing of what my friend got me for my birthday, and I'm so happy because it will come so handy with when I do my bed. I might do my bed with you, but no, I'm just gonna show you the gift. And yeah, the other one gave me a monetary gift. I'm gonna use it next week when I'm on leave. What else? Yeah, that's all, you guys. Traffic. Anyway, because wow. Hi guys, I'm back from work. I hope it's still good. I just want to do 3 items of unboxing before I continue with the day. So I bought this thing for my class. Door, even for my windows, you know. But the main reason why I bought this was for my shower class. So I can't remember how much was it. There's no price here. Yeah, there's no price here, but I think it's just gonna, there's rubber, it's just gonna make my job so easy. So I love this, and I've been looking for this. Yeah, so what else did I buy? I bought these king pillows, and the reason I bought this, it's because I've got only the standard one, and I've seen in some of the blogs where they buy this and they've got this and they've got the standard one. It becomes beautiful, so I want to try when I do my room and do it like that. So yeah, and then I've got obviously the standard one. I just bought these ones. So there's two of them. That's the main reason I'm showing them. It's not a standard one, it's a big one. And when you put your standard one, it becomes beautiful because this one is a bigger one. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to do to lay my bed as well. I bought the pillowcases the other day. Let me show you the pillowcases. Where are they? I bought the white pillowcases as well at Mr. Price Home. It's a king size. Hope you see this. So yeah, I'm so looking forward to do this. Yeah, but this one I bought it long time ago. I didn't buy it now. I'm just showing you. Because I bought this, so it will go here. Again, I want to show you my gift from Cotton On, and it's a throw. You guys love it, and it will go very well in my bedroom. Oh my word, I'm gonna put it in my bed or in the sofas, but I'm just gonna put it in my bed. I love it, guys. And it's so beautiful. It's not white, it's fawn and white. It will match good with the colors in my bedroom. And yeah, I'm so looking forward to do my bed and this one as well. So that's all I bought. I want to show you. And yeah, so we'll definitely see you on the next not next vlog. Why am I keep on saying next vlog? I will definitely see you, I don't know when, to be honest, because tomorrow my ex-colleague called me to to meet after work. But I don't want to videoize when I'm with the colleagues, because I'm meeting with another colleague. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I'm not sure, maybe Thursday, maybe I'll see, definitely Thursday. Yeah, let's meet again Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Let's meet Thursday. Yeah, so I love this. I think it's beautiful. And yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you Thursday. Let me do this, let me get to this, you guys. And I'm from the office, I'm so tired. We'll see you on Thursday, not tomorrow, because I'm meeting my colleagues. And I will see you on Thursday. I'm not sure where this vlog is gonna take us really, but yeah, we're here. See you Thursday, guys.
me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You cut me open and you cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You cut me open and I.
Thank you guys for watching the video up to this far. Please show me a rose or send me a love, a heart. I'm about to sleep now, and I will see you on the next vlog. Thank you so much. We are growing, and we are growing. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys, and we'll definitely see you on a next one. So tired. This has been a long day, and I promise myself I wanna cook. I don't wanna do takeaways unless I'm outside, I'm eating out. But when I'm in the house, I wanna cook this December. So that's the discipline that I told myself. I'd rather cook rather than buy takeouts like pizza, chips, whatnot. I'd rather do it myself here. Yeah, so we'll see you on the next vlog, sweetheart. Let me sleep so that tomorrow I'm going for a run. And yeah, so cheerios. Thank you so much. I love you guys.